Welcome to your channel, where we bring you the latest tech reviews and must-have gadgets. Today, we're diving into the incredible 05 Smartwatch, a stylish, feature-packed wearable designed for both women and men. From dialing and answering calls right from your wrist to its sleek, modern design, this smartwatch has everything you need to stay connected and ahead of the game. Whether you're looking for functionality, fashion, or both, the 05 Smartwatch delivers. Stick around as we explore all the features and show you why this could be your next favorite accessory. Upgrade your lifestyle with this 1.85 HD smartwatch, perfect for men and women. Stay connected effortlessly with the ability to make calls directly from your wrist. Track your health with 24/7 heart rate and sleep monitoring, and boost your fitness with over 100 sport modes. Its IP68 waterproof design ensures durability for any activity, and it's compatible with both Android and iOS. A sleek, multifunctional companion for health and convenience. Smartwatch for men and women with call functionality. Upgrade your fitness game with this 2024 HD 1.91 smartwatch. Answer or make calls effortlessly, track your fitness with over 110 plus sports modes, and monitor your heart rate, sleep, and calories. Its IP68 waterproof design ensures durability, whether you're at the gym or outdoors. Compatible with Android and iOS, it's the ultimate blend of style, technology, and functionality. Perfect for a healthier, more connected lifestyle. Fit Polo smartwatch for women, Android and iPhone compatible. Elevate your fitness and daily life with the Fit Polo smartwatch, featuring a stunning 1.8-inch HD screen and Alexa built-in for seamless voice control. Its IP68 waterproof design ensures durability, while the Bluetooth call feature lets you answer or make calls effortlessly. Monitor your heart rate, sleep, and SpO2 with advanced tracking tools, and stay active with 105 plus sports modes. Stylish, versatile, and functional. This is the smartwatch that keeps up with you. Upgrade your lifestyle with this smartwatch. Upgrade your fitness game with this featuring a 2.01 HD display. Lets you make and answer calls. Answer or make calls effortlessly. Stay on top of track your fitness, advanced heart rate, SpO2, sleep, and stress monitoring. With IP68 waterproofing and 100 plus sports modes, it's your ultimate activity tracker for Android and iPhone. Stylish, functional, and durable, it's perfect for fitness enthusiasts and tech lovers alike. Smartwatch for women and men, 2024 HD 2.01-inch smartwatch. Experience the ultimate in convenience and style with this 2024 HD smartwatch. With a large, vibrant 2.01-inch display, it keeps you connected by allowing you to make calls directly. Track your fitness with precision thanks to its heart rate monitor, sleep tracker, SpO2 sensor, and pedometer. Perfect for any lifestyle. It supports 100 plus sports modes and is IP68 waterproof for all weather use. Compatible with Android and iPhone, this smartwatch is your go-to for health, style, and connectivity.